Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, come and join me because I am setting up a tablescape for one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set up this whole table just for me. I'm gonna set up some tea and I'm gonna set up my little place setting. It's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. So this video is part of a collaboration called the Pumpkin Patch Tea Party, and this is being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, anyone else who's co-hosting, I'm going to go ahead and link them down in the description box below. So let's get started with this tea party. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So guys, remember that this tea party is being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living. If you have any questions regarding the playlist or being added to it, just send her a message and she'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now, I recently did a tablescape, and it was for the domestic violence awareness, which is coming up soon. Now, I decided to go ahead and keep those absolutely gorgeous purple flowers, and we're just going to go ahead and decorate around it. I am loving how this turned out. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. So I think this tablescape came out absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna sit here and enjoy it. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.